Are you getting bored of using pencil and paper to assess your students, but you're not quite sure what else is out there? Me too. Luckily, with Google Classroom, you can create fun and engaging quizzes quickly and easily. Hi, my name is Grace Matson, and today I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Google Classroom. Let's get started. First, let's open up a new tab for Google Classroom. Now that we have our Google Classroom up, we're going to click on the Classwork tab at the top. Then you're going to click this big orange button that says Create, and scroll down to the Quiz Assignment tab and click that. Now we have the template for our quiz open. Let me show you how to create a quick quiz so that you can assess your students in many different ways. The first thing we're going to do is add a title. I will title mine Addition. Now we will move down and type out our instructions. Mine will be to open the Google form below. Down here, Google Classroom has a blank Google Forms quiz template that we are going to use. Once you click this, a new tab will open with the blank Google Form quiz template. First, we will add a title in the top left corner and at the top of the page. We will use Addition as the title again. Then we will add a description that tells the students what to do. Next, we will click on this white box that says Untitled Question. On the right side, there is a drop-down bar that we are going to click. This provides you with 11 different format options for your quiz questions. This feature truly allows you to create a quiz for any subject on Google Classroom. For today's example, we are going to create a multiple choice question. To do this, I will click on the Multiple Choice tab. First, I will create my question. Then I will create my answer choices. To do this, you will click where it says Option 1 and type in your answer choice. To add another answer choice, you will click below where it says Add Option and type your second answer choice. You can continue to do this for as many answer choices as you would like. After this, you can select what the correct answer choice is by clicking below where it says Answer Key in blue. Then select the correct answer. You can also adjust the number of points each question is worth in the top right corner. I will make this question worth 10 points. Now you can click the Done button in the bottom right corner. At the bottom right side of this white box, you will see the word Required with the slide bar next to it. Switch the slide bar on to make the question required for all students to answer. If you would like to add another question, click the rectangle icon at the bottom of the white box. This will duplicate your question. Then you can change the question and answer choices and follow the same steps I just went over. Click on the trash can icon at the bottom of the white box to delete a question. Once you are happy with your quiz, you can return to your Google Classroom page. On the right-hand side, you can choose who you would like the quiz to be assigned to. I will keep all students clicked. You can also adjust the total number of points that the quiz is worth. My quiz will be worth 10 points. Using the Due drop-down bar, you can select a due date and time for the quiz. Lastly, you can choose a topic on your Google Classroom where the quiz will show up. I will choose Quizzes. Now that you have the quiz and its settings complete, you can click the orange Assign button in the top right corner. Let's review what we just talked about and make sure that you feel ready to create your own Google Classroom quiz for your students. Now that I have uploaded my quiz, I can go to the topic I assigned it to, which was Quizzes. I see the title of my quiz here and the due date and time. Now I can click on my quiz and make sure that the answer choices and question is here and that there are directions for the students to follow. And it's as simple as that. I hope that you enjoyed this video and now you feel comfortable, confident, and excited to create quizzes through Google Classroom. Google Classroom allows you to easily create quizzes for any subject. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video on how to create a quiz on Google Classroom.